As Inter-Religious Council of Uganda, we firmly believe that the East African community has a moral and political responsibility to promote conditions for credible, free and fair elections in the region. This responsibility includes more than observing elections on polling day. It calls for proactive engagement before, during and after elections, encouraging dialogue, supporting preventive diplomacy, and insisting on respect for constitutionalism and the rule of law. We therefore appeal to the leadership and the organs of the East African community to engage constructively with the key actors in Uganda's electoral process. This includes encouraging restraint in their public statements, supporting meaningful dialogue among political actors, and standing firmly against any actions that may incite violence or undermine the will of the people. We urge the East African community to use its good offices, experience, and regional mechanisms to help forestall destabilizing outcomes and support Uganda in conducting elections that strengthen rather than threaten the peace and unity of our region. 3, the role of development partners. Electoral processes often mar the depth and the quality of investment that development partners have made in the democratic life of a country. Where this engagement is sustained, principled, and people-centered, elections are more likely to contribute to lasting peace, accountable governance, and respect for human dignity. Where it is weak or inconsistent, the space for manipulation, abuse of power, and the violations of rights tends to widen. How development partners engage in Uganda at this time is therefore important for promoting a genuine democratic culture. Such a culture goes far beyond the act of voting. It includes the promotion of human rights, the strengthening of an independent justice system, and better systems of accountability.